Claude is one of the most powerful AI coding tools right now. It can read your code base, edit files, run terminal commands, and even solve multi-step problems. But there is one problem. It's expensive. And out of the box, Claude only works with anthropic models like Sonnet, Opus, and Haiku. But what if you want to use something else? Maybe you prefer GPT 5.2 level models that has better benchmarks, or you are building UI heavy apps where different models perform better, or mathematics workflow where models like DeepSeek might be more efficient. That's where the limitation hits. Developers don't want to lock into one provider. They want flexibility. And this is exactly why tools like OpenRouter are becoming popular. They let your requests automatically fail over between multiple providers. If one is down or rate limited, it seamlessly switches to another. So your coding sessions never stops. Also, Claude Code depends on Anthropic API pricing. Heavy usage equals to deep pocket. Long coding sessions can drain your credits fast. That's why developers are running Claude Code without paying Anthropic. Developers want full autonomy without cost pressure. They want to experiment without exhausting paid tokens. Many just want good enough model, not premium ones. Open source models now allow API compatibility alternatives. Same CLI tools but different backend with zero cost. In this video, we will build an app using OpenRouter's free tier with new account zero balance. Then generate the same app using Ollama Cloud, that too with zero balance. Compare performance, speed, and output quality. If you want to run everything locally using Ollama, you will need around 32 GB RAM and a decent GPU, especially useful for security sensitive environments. I have already covered the steps in a separate video, link in the description below. Also, while setting up OpenRouter with latest Claude Code, there may be some errors like API errors 402 or selected OpenRouter's models not found. Let's get our hands dirty. You will find a readable doc link in the description below. Claude Code with OpenRouter. For Mac or Linux installation, use the curl command. For Windows, use the PowerShell IRM command. We will go with npm install. Both works equally fine. So version 2.1.101 got installed. I have previously used Claude Code, so let me log out using /logout to show the complete process. Type Claude, choose dark mode. If you have set up project level Claude settings.json, or if exports are not defined in your bash RC, it will ask you to sign in to a Claude account, either API based account or a third party platform. Let's select Anthropic console account. It will ask you to sign up on the Claude platform and authorize it. It will ask you to add some credit. You can skip it or close the window. When you come back to the terminal, you will see login successful. Press enter. Press enter again. Yes, use recommended settings. Let's ask something. Hi, how are you? It shows low balance because it is checking the Anthropic balance, which we don't have. We want to use OpenRouter. So let's set that up. In step 2, either we can update the bash RC or set the settings.local.json under the .claude folder at the project level. Also paste the JSON. Now the base URL is pointing to the OpenRouter API. We will create an OpenRouter API key and put it here. On the OpenRouter's page, on the right side, personnel drop down, click activity. On the left hand side, you will find API keys. Click create. Give it a name like test Claude Code and leave everything as default. For demo purpose, I will set an expiration window of 1 day. Once you sign up, you will receive an email saying that for free models, you don't need credits. So we are good. Let's update the Anthropic auth token with the API key created just now. You need to keep this empty, not null or undefined, or else Claude Code might fall back to default behavior. Let's initialize Claude with the new settings. Type hi and we got a 402 error. It is taking the OpenRouter URL. Also, we have not set any models. Let's set the Anthropic model value. In the OpenRouter UI, we can search for free models. Let's go with GPT OSS 120 billion free model or NVIDIA Neutron free model. Hit hi. Now we have a different issue. It says the model may not exist. You can select models based on benchmarks and their use cases. Let's select another model. Neutron scores well in coding and agentic index. Let's check better models like Minimax 2.5. It is used in website, UI component and game development. It ranks in the top 15% for coding and top 14% for website generation. Let's copy it and update the Anthropic model value. We need to update this field. Claude Code disable experimental betas to true. We still have the same issue. For me, the export commands work. For some, settings.json might work. Let me set all the variables. Hit enter. Initialize Claude again. Let me log out and log in again. This time it didn't ask me to sign into Claude API or a third-party app. For a permanent solution, you can update your bash RC files. Basically, you need to set Claude Code disable experimental betas to true. Type hi and it replies. How can I help you today? How are you doing today? Using /models, you can see which model is being used or you can switch models. Let's give it a prompt to build an app. Create a weather web application for Shimla, Assam and Nagaland with current temperature, animated background for weather conditions, rainy, stormy, cloudy and one state per page with navigation arrow. It may take some time. We can use the latest Gamma 4 by Google. It's already used in apps like OpenClaw and Claude Code and has good coding and agentic performance. It's taking some time. Meanwhile, you can use /bytheway BTW to ask other questions. What is the current weather in Bangalore? It doesn't have access. In the API key activity log, you can see tokens usage by model. Bigger models can be busy, so let's use OpenRouter/free. This time we get a quick response, but these models are not great for coding. But it will give you an idea how to set it up. Claude Code will ask for access. If you click yes, you must allow it every time. Better to choose yes, allow all. It created a folder weather app with an index.html file. It is still in progress. Now we see style.css and script.js. This is not what I expected. Let's update the model to GPT OSS 20 billion. Hope this time it will give better results. We will update the prompt to simpler one. Create a weather application showing rainy weathers for Guwahati, stormy weathers for Kohima and sunny for Delhi with animation and nice looking. It created a index.html with all the CSS and JavaScript in index.html itself. This is much better, simpler animation but cleaner. I expected better. With Ollama, we got better output. Let's see how to use Ollama Cloud. Log out from Claude. For Claude Code with Ollama, Qwen 3.5 or GLM5 Cloud or Kimi K2 Cloud works well. Same installation process for Mac or Windows. We also need to install Ollama locally. It doesn't require a high-end machine. Even 8 GB RAM is enough since models run on cloud, as we will not download or load models locally. I have covered Ollama setup in another video, link in description. Let's copy the command and paste Ollama launch Claude. We will use Minimax M2.7 Cloud. To use other models, use ---- model flag followed by the model name. Let's search GPT OSS. Here we can see list of all the applications it is used for, like Codex, Claude Code, OpenClaw. Let's build the same app. Ollama launch Claude. Type hi, how are you? We are good to go. Let's give it some reasoning. Create a weather application with rainy, stormy and sunny weather for Assam, Nagaland and Sikkim capitals. Have animation for respective weather condition. Ollama Cloud is super fast, done in seconds. Looks like dummy data, but that's fine, we are ideating. Great, the app is built in the background. Animations are superb. It's asking for some permission. Yes to all, though it is not required to run the Python server. It has created proper script.js, styles.css and index.html. Let's modify the app. I want to have one city per page with next and previous button for other cities. Within 1 minute, it updated everything. Refresh the page. Awesome. Just awesome. It created a decent looking weather app mentioning the capital of each state. Though capital of Assam is Guwahati, not Dishpur. Navigation works too. That's all for this video. If this video is helpful, give it a like. See you again.